3:30 a.m. We're off to work. So we've just got to the factory, got a couple of quotes to finalise for a client this morning before we hit the road again. Need to finalise a duplex quote in Cronulla, so jump on the computer now, spend the next 1 to 2 hours just finalising this. So I'm just in the truck now, going to head off to Boar's Head Road and pop in to see Glenn at Seaforth. We're just at a Waverton project for Jakin. Beautiful house here on Boar's Head Road at Waverton. Amazing view, have a look. Just turned up to our Seaforth project. Now heading back to the factory to pick up Jeff and get a new ute. My lunch this morning, so got myself a chicken, dad on the run, and head back to the factory. Just picked up the new ute from Sydney City Toyota. Side loader, so that's going to go on the side here. And then we've got another ute, another one to CVD Fleet. Just gotten back home, so got a little bit of work to do. And then I'm getting ready to go to a business awards dinner with my wife. Ready for the business awards. Not finished yet, it's still going. We didn't get no chocolates tonight. That's okay. I'm super proud of my wife. To go home now, what a big day.